VOPs, Voluntary Organizations for Professional Evaluation, are formally constituted associations or societies, as well as informal networks and communities of practice in evaluation. Usually, the membership of such organization is open not only for those who conduct and commission evaluations, but also for those who utilize evaluation findings and those engaged in building the evaluation field. In the MENA region, and during the past 10 years, the evaluation profession has grown, and that is evidenced by the number of VOPs in the MENA region. In 2011, and as an unplanned outcome of the project Mainstreaming Evaluation Theory and Practice in the MENA region, funded by the International Development and Research Center and developed and executed by the American University in Beirut, the EvalMENA has been established. At that time, there was only one evaluation VOP in the MENA region, which is the Moroccan Evaluation Association, which was established in 2008. Now we're talking about 11 officially registered VOPs. Many of the VOPs in our region started as loose, informal networks of individuals who discovered a common interest to learn more about evaluation and evaluation methodologies. By time, most of the VOPs in the MENA region has evolved into more formal associations or societies with constitutions and bylaws in place, and even with official governmental recognition in some cases. Although the typical focus of the role of VOPs in the MENA region is on institutional development and strengthening the VOPs themselves, some have further evolved, recognizing not only the need for improved supply of quality, credible, and useful evaluations, but also to try to address the demand side, including advocating for governmental policies and systems that call for appropriate forms of evaluation that eventually contribute to more accountability, learning, and public transparency, such as the case of Morocco National Evaluation Policy. The VOPs in the MENA region continue to seek more active engagement with governments, policy dialogue, and improved coordination with regional and international evaluation network. Specifically, the roles and responsibilities of the VOPs in our region continue to be to advance the professional capacity of experienced evaluators and the learning of those new to the profession. Also, discuss and share professional experience and challenges and jointly advance the profession of evaluation and develop evaluation standards. Continue to organize events such as conferences, workshops, seminars, and continue to produce publications to provide platforms and means for professional exchange. Advocate for the development and implementation of national evaluation policies that are also inclusive and responsive. Develop standards that can be used to convince stakeholders such as governments and parliamentarians of the importance of evaluation principles in the MENA region, and also promote the capacities of evaluators to perform quality, credible, and useful evaluations. There are a lot of challenges and lessons learned. The voluntary nature of VOPs makes it very important to have a motivated group of volunteers to the mission and objectives of the networks. Diversity is another challenge. There is a need to continue diversifying the group of volunteers in the VOPs in terms of number and in terms of representation, and also the diversity of the activities carried out by the VOPs. Sustainability, not only the financial side of sustainability, but also we should not assume that new members have the know-how about how to be a member of a VOP. So this should involve considering instances of induction and shadowing and support to new members. Continue to be efficient and effective using available communication channels. Also, try to establish partnerships with different actors, governmental, non-governmental, institutional, and individuals to broaden the scope of the networks. And maintain the institutional memory of the network is also an important thing and an important challenge that is facing the VOPs in our region. VOPs in the MENA region need to get more direct involvement and work more on the development of national evaluation policies, and thus start to contribute not only for the benefits of the VOP members and constituents, but also to the benefits of the society at large as well. Thank you.